Hello everyone, welcome to the math tutor. In today's video, we'll learn about the symmetric difference of sets. Okay, so what is the statement of symmetric difference? Symmetric difference of set. The symmetric difference of two sets A and B is denoted as A delta B or A this way. Okay. And defined as the set of elements that are in A and in B, but not in both A and B. That means if I take a set these and a set these, suppose this is A set and this is B set, the symmetric difference will be the set of elements that are in A and in B but not in A intersection B. दोनों में नहीं होने चाहिए. ओके, A में होंगे, B में होंगे. ओके, this part, but not in both. ओके, this part नहीं होगा. So इसको अगर मैथमेटिकली लिखेंगे तो कैसे लिखेंगे? A delta B equals, this part will be A difference B. If I got, we know that if I remove B, from A, okay, if I remove this part is A difference B, this part, and if I remove A from B, if I remove A, okay, from B, then this part will be B difference A. So since I am taking only these A difference B and B difference A, so I can write this as A difference B union B difference A. Also I can write this as A union B difference A intersection B. Okay, because whole union में से अगर इंटरसेक्शन को काट देंगे, होल यूनियन ही रहा दिस पार्ट and this part. This is the union, but if I remove this both intersection part, the remaining part will be A difference, the A delta B or symmetric difference of A and B. Okay, so this is all about symmetric difference. I am putting a homework for you, that is, suppose A set is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B equals to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Find a different symmetric difference of A and B. Okay, thank you.